Alright, we're off to Baguio. And starting charge natin is 91%. We'll need to charge, or we prefer to charge sa Rosario. We found a charging station doon sa Midpoint Hotel. So pagdating doon, well, we will travel around 150 kilometers papunta doon. So we'll lose about 40 to 50% of charge. Pagdating doon, we charge for an hour before going up to Baguio. And then just so that pagdating sa Baguio, we have enough juice to roam around the city. Then yung nabook nating accommodations has an EV charger in it, so we'll see how that goes. So we're off to Baguio. So again, we'll be traveling around 140 to 150 kilometers papunta doon sa charging station before we go up Baguio. That is in Rosario. Too bad hindi tayo makakapag-charge sa Shell because hindi allowed yung mga adapters doon, and GBT yung charge port ng car natin. Tapos they only allow type 2 or CCS2. So yeah, out of luck. Pero near that area, we found a Solarius charger. Merong isang hotel doon before you go up. Merong isang hotel na type 2. They allow adapters just so that meron tayong enough charge pagdating natin sa city. So we're expecting before we go up to Baguio, we have around 60-ish% or 70% of charge before we start to go up. And from last time we went to Baguio, we spent around 35% of charge paakyat. So that was around 35 kilometers from Rosario up to the city proper. So it's pretty much for every kilometer 1% ng battery yung nagagamit. Let's enjoy. Ooh, we are in Clark. So dito sa Clark, papasok tayo sa SCTEX. Ang dami ng windshield. Wow. From the far end, yung makikita ninyo yung Mount Arayat. That's our favorite mountain. Papasok dito sa left, it's where yung SCTEX entry. Ano ka niya kasi itang BYD kene? Karon niya ba o kaya niyang gulod?
Yan.
Itang BYD showroom.
Ito.
Itang gulod.
If you want to go to Gateway for in 400 meters, turn left onto Clark Gateway.
Why did you say? Why did you say?
Wala, nakasunting.
Sa tingin na, no?
Ayan, yung view.
Oh,
Oh,
it's just a road.
yeah.
Turn left onto Clark
Roads are
Gateway.
nice. Roads are nice. We don't see a lot of
In
mountains.
500 meters, turn left onto the ramp to North Luzon Light
Oh.
Expressway, Subic, Clark,
Yeah.
Tarlac Expressway.
Yung Zambales.
Yes.
We don't know ano yung names ng mga mountains na yan. Pero yun yung nasa Zambales area. I'm not familiar sa names ng mga mountains. Sure, we love mountains. So right around this area, magle-left, Then, yun na yung entry natin papuntang Esitex. Then, Esitex, we go T-Plex, and then, yan, paakyat na ng Baguio nun. Pero before we go up to Baguio at the end of T-Plex, mag-charge muna tayo. Yo, nakapasok na tayo ng Esitex. So, ayun, yun yung toll gates. So, we make one round, then Esitex na. And from there, it's just a straight route papuntang T-Plex. And off we go. NLEX, 1 kilometers. 1 kilometer. May siran.
Continue for 126 kilometers.
Yung Zambales Mountain Ranges. May something done eh. We're at 79% charge right now. We still have around 250 kilometers of DTE left. And we need to travel 106 kilometers papunta sa charging station natin. We have plenty. We limit our speed to 80 kph just so that maging efficient yung travel natin. I can go up to 100 kilometers per hour kaso masyadong magastos sa sa battery. So I prefer to be efficient. So 80 kph. Toll gates na. So we're at the end of Esitex, and then after nung Esitex, T-Plex naman tayo. I forgot ilang kilometers. So far, yung na-travel natin is around 40-50 kilometers. So yung remaining 90 kilometers na to will be by T-Plex. Yan, ilampas ta na Esitex. So we are now at T-Plex for the next 90 kilometers. So we'll be traveling via T-Plex. Tarlac, Pangasinan, La Union Expressway. Hindi naman yung T-Plex toll gate. I mean entry. Pero alang kay Kenny, alang RFID. Kasi since entry yan. Yeah. Pachuta mo Tarlac area na eh. Yan, Tarlac area. Tapos yan, Zambales Mountain Ranges ulit. Again, we stay left. We stay right pala. Kasi other cars are faster. This is benta mo. So dati bintata mo La Union, we spent 8,000
La Union, Ilocos.
Ay, Ilocos pala, Ilocos. 8,000 on gas. Well, aliyo fuel efficient sa kantamo kanito eh. Pero still,
Yung
ay,
light AC to, alam?
ayos, di ba?
Yeah.
Wow, so mga mamabot siya rin 10 kilometers per liter naman ito eh. Pero ito, we spent 8,000. 8,000. Pero, nung ining-EV na yung dalata mo, papunta ka rin, pabalik. Assuming mag-charge tamo balen eh. Papunta, pabalik, that's mga 300 kilometers eh. So, 600.
Ilocos?
Wow!
300 kilometers yan mo?
Wow!
From bahay?
Wow! Mga 150 hanggang kaya La
Yeah.
Union.
Pero no ka rin ka mag-charge?
Wait, nung mag-charge tamo ka rin paid charging station, we'll have to pay double that. Kasi,
Pero no ka rin kami mag-charge?
Awesome Hotel. La Union yun, no? Awesome. Tapos ngayon king Ilocos pala mo at inaring charging station ka rin. Kaya pwede na ka rin. Tama? Taglos tama?
Tuglos tama.
Wow.
Eh,
Wala.
Mag-ubra ang bante.
Pwede kang dala itong laptop ko sana yan. Ikang isipan ko. Look. Amazing view. Woo! Something good. We are nearing the Rosario exit. Rosario exit happening. Tapos from here, from the Rotonda, we go right para doon sa charging station. Hotel, yeah, actually. Name of the hotel is Midpoint Hotel or ating yung naliwang name eh.
Nanalagyan?
Midpoint.
Midpoint.
Midpoint Hotel. Pero ating yung naliwang name, malamit sa local cedula. I forgot. Pero later. Ayun, Rotonda sa Rosario. Tapos
Continue
we
on
go
R-8 for
through
800 meters.
here.
Do you want to eat? Ay,
Yeah, we are at 38%. Yan, yung charging station.
dali na po ito. Tipang
Adapter. Type 2 bale yung charging port, kaso GBT yung sa akin. So, merong adapter. And then Solaris app. We'll use the app to activate yung pag-charge. Finally, charging na. So, ang rate is 28 pesos per kilowatt hour. I plan to charge kahit mga 30% lang. So, siguro mga 10 kilowatt hours. So, later, we'll see. Ito natin. Ito yung hotel kung saan kami nag-charge ngayon. Ito yung front ng hotel, tapos yung basement entrance is doon. Pasok ka, nandoon banda. Merong basement entrance doon. Thank you, Inasal. Bili daw muna ng coffee sa 7-Eleven. Doon kami sa Norlu sa Deck Hotel. Yun ang hotel. Tapos yung basement entrance is ayun, go straight there. Just go straight there.
Important to have
Yung basement parking. So dito yung hotel entrance. Dito lang kukunin yung well, kailangan mong kumuha ng wifi password kasi walang mobile signal sa basement.
mag-vlogger tayo.
It's at 66%. Nice. Ayan, stop charging na. I was charged 287. I think na-charge ako ng 9 kilowatt hours plus yung charging fee na 50 pesos. Lagyan natin yung adapter. Dami namin gamit.
Pwede niya kanyan yan.
Yes.
O, ano itong mag-blink-blink ka yan? Blink, blink.
Need to press the brake.
Oh. This basement is creepy.
Gawa din tambakan eh.
It's haunted. It's haunted.
We're done charging.
Wait lang, hindi pa nagre-record. Ano daw?
Ayan.
Yan.
We're done charging. We're at 69%. So we'll have to travel 36 kilometers. Ay, katas.
Ay!
Ay. Kailangan matras tama. Matras. Masyado yung matariking tay. Isa. Kulang yung puwersa. Magkwento ta ka.
Magkwento tayo mo na.
Oo. Itang lang din. masyadong matarik yung exit ng basement parking. So nag-i-slip yung gulong na gulong. So ang daming up and downs yung sinubukan. Tapos naka-curve, parang S-shape pa yung ramp. Kaya hindi ka man makakabuelo ng gusto.
Kaya pepa straight na yun eh.
Wow, pepa Ingewa the pepa atras de on the edge, and then pepa binit de. So, oita. May kapanigtan. So, lupang sanay lang mag-guide. Sanay lang mag-guide.
At least sasabihan na nita metong. Ito anong metong nasa kintang maluto king gay makapark malatiya rin eh.
Oo.
Celerio yata or na.
Oo.
Sabi na, agyo na yan eh. Hindi pinagyo na yan.
And in terms of pulling power, mas marakalin kumpara kitang Celerio.
O the other times sabi mo makaya tangdalan.
Oo, bala ko matalusa siya. And ito naman talaga matalusa siya. Alayang grip. Alalang grip din gulong tamo ketang tiles da. Imagine mag-skid yang mag-skid yang gulong.
Nagawad ni dalan.
Kaso itang paatras naman, si Bukong Kim paatras. Bal. Magkulangan niya power itang mo paatras. Need na ano ya kaya ini? Yung dala na ini. May landslide kaya or what?
Sa sementoan din.
So sabi da, yan dakal sections na makanya nagagawan da kaya ini.
King Canon.
Wow. Pero allowed la ring mga lating sakyan. O yan, mga latita mo man. Pero ding trucks talila allowed.
Cannon Road is open for light vehicles only.
Antay.
Yan, may passing pa.
Oo.
So, laon yan, pwede ganyan din. Ay, likay na pala, Benkin.
Ah, Benguet. Oh.
Sabi na, welcome to province of Kahit.
Benguet.
May kitang ano?
Oo. Something.
Yeah, Benkin. O, Tuba. Benkin.
Makasanting na eh. Kasi, saka matarik ka talaga. Tarik ka. Oo. Ining yakburi. Ining wall.
Kapag mumuran talaga, bawal yung mga kini or alikay. Kasi paning mag-landslide Canon eh.
Tapyan tala rin ang mga lating sa at least din lupa lang ali mag-overtake. Ako bisang mag-video while driving din. Okay ma. O ini o nilapat deke ini.
What?
Falls. Tapos sa ating Mandilo.
Ito mo na kilala?
Oo.
Ay, kaya. Sorry, nakabisang.
Yung the other way, nandun sila sa ilalim. Ayun. So dun sila sa ilalim daraan. So this is the second segment na under repair yung dalan kening Canon. Namihigit itang pangin eh. Is sa lese pinindalan. Dati gurul-gurul ing asfalto. Parang yan eh.
Gurul. What is gurul mean?
Bako-bako. I think most sections na kanita nini alila pa asfalto eh. Maka semento mo. Parang yan eh. Yan. Woo! Tara manik tababo. Wow. Wow. Katas. So good. Kita pa pala masyadong may katas Baguio na eh. I mean, sabagay 16 kilometers na mo ka na chuta na. Malapit na. 40 minutes na biyahe. And we are there. Ayun. So, wow. Ako bisang mag-landslide. Tunnel. This is a new tunnel para ka rin mag-landslide. Parang kamukha nung nasa Marcos Highway. Yan. Lion Head. So dapat mag-picture pa kaning kay lion. May something ya pintura ning lion, no? Easy. Last time may traffic tamo kan.
May traffic.
Oo. Makakahit tamo. Makahold tamo ali ka rin.
Sana sa kanya.
Na?
Sana sa kanya.
Itang kay. Oh. So, nakarating kami ng Baguio. Well, nasa cathedral kami ngayon. Ang charge natin is 37%. So, medyo close nga doon sa estimate natin. We are in the cathedral. What's good dito sa cathedral is for a first hour, 10 pesos lang yung parking. Enough para makapagsimba ka. Pero for the succeeding hours, tigpa 500.
Di naman, 100 lang.
500?
100 after an hour. 500 on succeeding hour. So if you stayed for over 2 hours here, that's the 500.
Oh, okay. Ito.
Really?
Yeah.
So mahal ng parking. Pero kung nandito ka para magsimba, perfect.
Sabi niya, meron siyang leeway of 30 minutes after the 1 hour. Kasi nga, syempre lumalabas
Oo.
lahat ng...
Nasaan yung ticket?
I gave it to you.
Ito may mga ticket.
Exactly.
Saan yung exit?
This is the exit.
Thank you. Yun. Okay. Sige. We'll see you around.
Umalis na sila dito at kaka.
Hindi. They're having lunch siguro niya.
Nung ka rin ko kanina.
Mag-left mo. Ay, Kenny, right. Ayun o, tama ka naman.
Nagsi pa nga ng
Itapin, mag-updating GPS ko.
It's not raining.
Kaya, so I'm not sure kung diretso pa or...
Casa Vallejo, right?
Calle Vallejo.
Casa Vallejo Hotel, Baguio.
Left.
Ano? Pwede. Sure yan na.
Pasitik yung camera.
Turn left onto Session Road.
Nakapag-park kami dito. SM City Baguio. Tapos, nandito yung nandito banda yung pupuntahan naming reception. Ay, hingal ako. Actually, nakalimutan ko yung camera. Binalikan ko. Hindi pa ako sanay may laging may dala-dala camera. Ay, pagod. Kailangan ko nag-exercise. Ito kami sa Casa Vallejo. Ito sa ibaba. Restrooms. Okay. CR muna. Oops. Baba. So, ito yung mga stalls pa na nandito. Ito kami. Sa taas. Ang tarik. Aakyat na naman. I'm gonna lose weight. Okay. We're done. Thank you, Casa Vallejo. Next stop sa Kamchanhae. Horseback riding. Oh,
You went up like 3 flights of stairs.
yeah.
3.
We climbed up 4 stories. Alright. Next stop.
We're at the horseback riding place and it smells like poop. You can smell it from here.
If you smell the poop, then we're home.
I know.
I mean, we're here. You smell it. I don't smell anything.
Pasensya na, medyo ayaw niya kasi sa bakal eh. Nailang siya sa may bakal.
Yup.
Hindi niyo kasama ng mga.
Di po.
Ay, pali ipakinggan ko.
Ayun po yung kasama.
Ay, pali silang mga kapatid mo.
Isa po kapatid, 2 pinsan.
Ay. Oops, uy. Kita mata ito.
Lamiwo, pababayo. See?
Patang mo na typing.
Nandin, paukyat, kapagal. See, katas. Kapag charge ulit kami. Okay, 60%. Ito naman, iba naman yung app na ginagamit. EVRO. Okay, are you sure you want to stop? Yes. Ayun, tapos nag-tick yung EVSD. Alright. Unplug the connector now. Yeah. Thank you. Oops. Paalis na kami, nakapag-charge ulit. So 60% na kami. This is more than enough. para sa gala mamayang gabi.
Bakit may
Ano ka rin nawari? Eh,
In 100 meters, turn left toward Ordonio Drive.
Sir, pwede pong mag-exit doon? Doon po. Ito po yung exit. Okay. Thank you.